What's up, techies? Fluffy from techbeatph.com. You know, most tech reviews are about speed, camera, and display. But today, we're talking about a phone that's built for survival. This is the new HONOR X7D, and its tagline should be, "I can handle your mess." Seriously. HONOR is making two massive promises with this budget phone: unbreakable and unending. We're talking 5-star drop resistance and a battery big enough to power a small village. Alright, let's slice open the box. Inside the box, you've got the phone, which we'll set aside for a second. We also have a 35 watts SuperCharge adapter solid, always happy to see a charger in the box, and the USB-C cable. Now, for the phone itself, the design is simple, modern, and looks sturdy. It's got a flat edge design and it just feels solid in the hand. But the real story here is the durability. This phone has SGS 5-star drop resistance. That means it can handle the inevitable tumble out of your pocket or off a table. And get this, washable water resistance. It's rated IP64, which is dust-proof and splash-proof. They even ran a 3-minute washing test. I'm not doing that right now, but the confidence HONOR has in this is impressive. This is the perfect phone for the clumsy ones like me, or for those who are always out in the rain or by the pool. Let's talk about the fuel for this tank, the 6,000 mAh super durable battery. Forget battery anxiety, this thing is a powerhouse. We're talking 24 hours of continuous online streaming, 18 hours of online short video, and a ridiculous 59 hours of music playback. That's almost 3 days of pure music. I mean, you can listen to my entire favorite EDM playlist like 10 times over. And when you do finally run out, the 35 watt SuperCharge is there to top you up quickly. But my favorite feature is the ultra power saving mode. HONOR says the last 2% of the battery can sustain 75 minutes of continuous calls. 75 minutes? That is a lifesaver for those clutch moments when you need to call a ride or contact someone for an emergency. Let's get into the memory. The X7D is flexing some serious muscle with 16GB equivalent RAM using HONOR's RAM Turbo technology. This isn't strictly 16GB physical RAM, but the 8GB base RAM plus 8GB of extended RAM means it should handle multitasking and keeping apps open smoothly even after extended heavy use. Switching between games, YouTube, and messaging should be lag-free. And for storage, a massive 512GB super large storage capacity. HONOR claims this can store more than 60,000 photos. If you're a parent, a content creator, or just someone who never deletes anything, this is a breath of fresh air. No more storage almost full pop-ups. You can keep years of precious memories right there on your phone. For a phone focused on durability and battery, the camera specs are surprisingly high-end. We have a 108MP ultra-clear image main camera, 108 megapixels. That's all about catching every thrilling moment in incredible detail. And the 3x lossless zoom means you can actually crop into those high-res shots without everything turning into a muddy mess. We'll have to take this thing out for a proper spin, but on paper, it looks like a winner for daylight shots. The media experience is rounded out by dual stereo speakers. HONOR promises high volume mode for multiple outdoor scenarios, ensuring you won't miss a call and that your music and navigation are loud and clear. It's like carrying a portable speaker that can also survive a zombie apocalypse. Now for the software side, HONOR has some nice convenience features. The HONOR Magic Capsule is a clever one. It acts like a little dynamic window around your front camera, giving you essential information like calls and alarms in one easily accessible interface, without interrupting what you're doing. It's a smart way to handle multitasking and quick updates. The HONOR X7D is the ultimate peace of mind phone in the budget segment. It's not breaking any land speed records, but for most people, especially students, field workers, or parents who need a phone that can survive a drop, shrug off rain, and last 2 days, this is a champion. The combination of durability, the 6000 mAh battery, and 256GB storage means this phone is built for long-term, carefree use. It's a practical, powerful workhorse disguised as a budget phone. It's the phone you buy when you want to stop worrying about your phone. So, what's your favorite feature? Is it the unbreakable screen or the unending battery? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see our full review and stress test this HONOR X7D, maybe even dunk it in a bucket of water, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.